everyone, and welcome back to the Creativity Castle.
It's time again to be creative.
It's time once again to join me for another Sauerpuss follow-along. For today's follow-along, we will be drawing with a black marker, and then, once we're finished, you can go to our website and download this drawing and color it in. If you're ready, let's begin.
Let's be creative.
As always, you can try to guess what I am drawing.
Yay!
We will begin today by drawing this little creature's two oval eyes about in the middle of our page, like this. And we will make these eyes to appear as though they are closed by drawing two arcs just above the center of each of the ovals. And this, once again, will be a happy creature. We will draw a big smile, like this. Next, we will draw the head of the creature. Do you have an idea? Not yet? Well, let's keep drawing. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Do-do-doo, 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 do-do-doo. This little creature has a curvy, long body. The body is actually a little squishy. Hoo-hoo-hoo! This little creature has a squishy body, and it can stretch and contract. It can get longer and it can get shorter. That's why we're drawing all these little rings around the body of the creature. Hoo-hoo-hoo! The parts of the body that have a lot of rings indicates that the creature is squished together at that part of the body. I bet you've guessed it by now. It's a cute little worm. Hoo-hoo-hoo! And we'll just add some more rings as we get closer to the end of the worm. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo, 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 doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And next, I will add two little antennae, like this. Next, we will draw a little ground around the creature. It's a soft dirt ground. And we can add some grass and some pebbles around our little worm. It's a cute little earthworm. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Here you can be creative with the environment around our little worm. I'm just going to have our little worm in some blades of grass on the ground. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And now I'm going to draw a creative frame around our little earthworm. Hoo-hoo-hoo! I will draw little graphic shapes to create a border around the earthworm. You can have all sorts of fun with the type of borders that you draw around your illustration. I just like to draw all sorts of fun shapes.
Woohoo!
And some of the shapes look like they are overlapping the other shapes. Can you see how the top shape looks like it goes behind the wavy shape? Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And at the bottom, let's add a little zigzag line.
That's fun!
And we'll connect these like this.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
Woohoo! And we'll add another one here at the bottom that's going behind the zigzag shaped board. And it's also going a little bit behind the worm and has a little angle like this. All sorts of different shapes surround our little earthworm. And let's add a little creature that has gone beyond the border. A cute little butterfly. Kind of looks like a bumblebee butterfly. And a few more details. And these little circles look like perhaps little nails that were connecting the boards together around our little earthworm. What a creative frame! All we have to do now is finish up the grass behind the earthworm. And some of the blades of grass look like they're going behind the border, like this. And we'll finish this last one off, and we'll add a few more blades of grass. You can tell that the earthworm is small because the blades of grass look so big. As a finishing touch, let's give our little earthworm a little chin. And here we have our cute little springtime earthworm.
What a cute drawing!
Now, if you'd like, you can color in this drawing. Take a look at how I've colored in the drawing. I've used light springtime colors once again.
That looks really good, Sauerpuss!
If you'd like to color in this drawing, go to Sauerpussandfriends.com. There you can go to the Printables section for a free download.
Oh boy, what fun!
Thank you for joining this follow along. See you next time, and remember to
Be creative!